Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sleeper Build JD. Today I am showing you hamstring and glute best workout standing single leg RDL, I mean Romanian deadlift. So please watch and learn more. This is a great workout for hamstring and glutes. The single leg exercise puts great pressure on your glutes and hamstring muscles. You will do exercise 10 repetitions and 3 times, I mean 3 sets. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. Subscribe must.